Hello and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you how to unban your Litmatch account. Okay, so first and foremost, open up your Litmatch and make sure that you're logged into your Litmatch. Okay, you can choose to sign up using your Gmail or you can use your Facebook. So for this case, we shall use the Gmail. So click on the Gmail over there and then choose an email account of your choice that you're going to be using to sign up. Okay, as you can see, I've clicked on the Gmail and it's loading up my email accounts. So for this case, I'll choose to sign up using one of my email accounts. Okay, so after doing that, I'll click on that and it should be loading up like this. Okay, and then after doing that, I'll just need to put in my birth date. Okay, and then my gender, and I'll be able to sign up. So my gender, I'm male over here. Then I'll put in my birth date and my nickname, and I'll be able to sign up. Okay, so after signing up and you've been banned for any reason, what you'll do is simple. You need to write for their customer cares a message and ask them to unban your account. So unbanning your account will take like 2 days, and then after 2 days your account will be unbanned and you'll be able to access it very well. Okay, so if you really found value in this video, make sure to like and subscribe. Until next time, we shall meet.